it'll spread. Hey, you got a new windshield, right?
I don't want to watch it though. Can take a shot off this side. So that
is this bare window?
Let's do it on the EXOSHIELD side.
Maybe, yeah.
Dang. Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is rare for a December day. There's no snow on the ground and the sun is beaming. This is beautiful. So today we're gonna be finishing up the mezzanine area, and I got my friend Mo coming in. Yesterday he gave me a quote for flooring, and we're gonna be doing laminate flooring, but it's gonna make the upstairs look so much cleaner. And right now, I got the fellas in the Sunrise Auto Bay. Hi, puppy. Hello, Dookie. Helping me do an oil change on the XB. Oh, guys, I guess I can show you a small update of what the fellas have been up to in here. They've cleaned up. And actually, can I show them these lights? Just turn it on from here. What? They're all connected? Check this out. What? So this corner is going to be the designated wrapping area. So they'll have so much space to work with. And then they got this huge TV connected to the security cameras. You can clearly see Larry's car. And then we'll bring you upstairs. And actually, Sunny and Larry ended up cleaning the rest of this room up. So much more chill up here. Honey, oh, what the? What the heck? Look at this happy boy. Hi, happy boy. He's your next to chilling. All right, Gohan's definitely gonna smell you on me. Gonna go downstairs? Yeah. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. Carrie runs down the stairs. Yeah. So apparently there's like no oil in here. I don't think I ever got an oil change ever since I bought it like 2 years ago, so yeah.
Alright, Sunny, are we ready to pull the engine?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hi, Dougie. Also, if you guys didn't know, this machine was donated to us by our good friend Tejo. And I mean, he's kind enough to let us just keep it here. Also, that blue toolbox in the corner, that's Tejo's as well. But he's saying that I have full access to it. So there's like 5 to 10 times more tools that I've ever had in my life, all in that one toolbox. It's gonna be so much easier doing car installs in this garage from now on. That reminds me, we're actually gonna be using this today for an exhaust install on an M3, so stay tuned for that. I'm just excited to put this to use. While we wait for the BMW to get here, in the meantime, I can continue just cleaning the space up here, prep it for when Mo gets here so that the flooring can be finished in an afternoon. That is the plan. Got Eddie to rewire us some new lighting because the shoddy ones that we had before were kind of dim and basically broken. So, and then from here we can actually wire even more lights in the corners. So it's a lot more lit in those areas. Yeah, this place should be looking super clean and tidy by the end of today. Let's get it. We're gonna be throwing this Megan Racing exhaust on that M3. Unboxing video. Finally get to see this thing in action, dude. Guys, I've never had this luxury before. So much room for activities. So you got stickers, postcard from Megan Racing. Alright, let's see. Ooh, burnt tips. What? Damn. So just a few bolts. There's a couple of last ones that are kind of tough to get to right here. And then once you got those two off, it's just these two hangers and we're golden. Alright, old one is out. Damn, look at that difference. Got Mo here now. Long time no see, bro. Where you been at?
Hiding.
Alright, so Mo's here to help me install these guys on the floor. And actually, this is such a nice color, man. And right now, he's going through the effort of trying to make all of this floor squeaking go away. And basically, process is just drill the shit out of it until you don't hear it anymore. This used to be super squeaky.
This is bad. Like this will be gone. Like for example,
Because it's like if you do it there, it just pushes
exactly.
everything.
Yeah.
Weird. Yeah.
Like something like this.
Yeah.
Like where you could barely hear it. You hear that little creak kind of thing.
Yeah.
That's bad actually.
Honestly, man, it's so much better than it was before already. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the loud ones. 'Cause the more I don't want to fuck it up more. You know?
Exactly. Yeah. You know what you're doing, man. So I'll leave it to the pros.
Yeah, well, Roma doesn't have it for metric.
Oh.
And then the other
gotcha.
place on 30 seconds close. I guess I should check my phone.
Damn.
Last place is like Canadian Tire.
So
It's weird, the kit doesn't come with it.
doing that, yeah. Let her run. Give it a blip bloop. Yeah. Alright. Sound test. Okay.
Yeah, I got the windshield put in.
You do it first. I don't know. I don't want to be responsible.
Sunny Cam, you did it like 10 times. Okay, drive. No chip. One more? That ain't a chip. It's just like a big ass impact. That's why it's like bubbling.
I don't know.
That's it. Woo! See? There's no chip on the glass.
Shut the hell up.
Don't do it anywhere else. Don't do it inside either. There's no EXOSHIELD in there. It'll break the other window. But then
it'll spread. Hey, you got a new windshield, right?
I don't want to watch it though. Can take a shot off this side. So that
Is this bare window?
Let's do it on the EXOSHIELD side.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Dang. What?
Yeah, see?
Shit,
But
that's
this
the
is
EXOSHIELD side though.
this
Let's
is-
do it here.
okay. It's like leaking water.
Whoa.
Do this area again, where the EXOSHIELD grabs.
Oh, so where it's like bonded, it doesn't happen. Look at that.
Exactly.
That's with like the 46-hour wait or whatever.
Eddie is like,
Okay, I can drive. If you do any more, I'm gonna throw a rock at your car.
Dude,
Well, no, I'm
at least it's
making
not
a
right
smiley
hand.
face.
Don't.
Perfetto. Counter. That is flush. So now I'm just gonna put an L bracket underneath here that connects both of these pieces, and then you can actually put some weight on it and won't have to worry. But that completes our little DIY counter setup. And then we actually made a little piece that fits right in between here. And to pretty it up, make it all one, we're gonna be getting like a countertop laminate, and we're just gonna put it on top. All right. Now Eddie is trying this experiment with these Amazon lights. It's like 70 bucks or something for a pack of 8. I think if you were to get them at like Home Depot, they'd be like 2 for the same price. You guys get an idea? All right, homie. Moment of truth. Yo, so much better, dude. You don't even need the quarter lights anymore. That's nice. Okay, no, that's cool. That looks sick, Eddie.
Yeah.
Yo, let's see what it looks like from downstairs.
A little bit more,
Yeah.
just so that the edges can go with the long wires that are coming from, like, say, this corner to that corner.
Dang. Now imagine that, but times 8. That's it, guys. Walls being painted, lights installed thanks to Eddie, and it's so well lit in here now. Like, this is actually so sick. We'll save the flooring for tomorrow. Mo said that this laminate stuff was in his car overnight. It should be a particular temperature so that it installs a little easier. So yeah, we'll save that for tomorrow, but I think I'm just gonna end the video, guys. Thanks for joining me on this Vlogmas episode, and we'll see you in tomorrow's. Peace.